Welcome to the digital twin of Cinemeric One. We as end customers can use it to carry out the work preparation of the machine. The Run MyVirtual Machine supports us in simulating, testing, and verifying the NC program. We can acquire the digital twin from the machine manufacturer to then test and use it here accordingly. For this purpose, we can simulate the machine as realistically as possible. We have the realistic machine control panel in our software and also the original HMI of Cinemeric Operate. As the virtual PLC is integrated into Run MyVirtual Machine, all the alarms and the feedback from the machine are available accordingly. When turning on the machine to use it as a realistic digital twin, I have to press the appropriate releases on the machine control panel, and the notifications disappear little by little. Accordingly, I have to activate my feeds and turn up the overrides for the spindle and the axes accordingly. Even safety functionalities are active. This means I can see safety issues or requirements, which I can process accordingly with my PLC input-output table. Next, I perform the test stop and the machine is ready. Furthermore, there's a requirement to select the operating mode. This can be done using the key switch, just like on the real machine. I can now set the machine into jog mode, for example, and we can see in the integrated 3D simulation how the machine is actually moving. But not only that, I could even detect collisions. This means that if I move the machine in the wrong direction, I can see that it will be crashing here at this point. In doing so, I have prevented a collision that would have been very expensive on the real machine. Now I want to go into the more detailed analysis of this collision. I can analyze and look at it using our collision section. When we see what has happened as a result, there's a library for setting up the workpieces or the tools and the entire machine, and also for importing new components accordingly. Once I have prepared my NC program to this extent, I switch to automatic mode and start the simulation. It even calculates the original machining time. And I received a notification about the further machining process of my machine in the office environment without disturbing the real machine during production, and without the risk of collision on the real machine, because this simulation provides me with all the results that the real machine also provides. Of course, I still have all the user interfaces that I have on my machine, and I can perform my analysis accordingly, or also view errors in the alarm list accordingly in order to optimize my services. If you like the product and would like to test it further, we now have our demo version available, which we offer you on the website under CNC for You. Our Run MyVirtual Machine demo includes 3 template machines that you can test free of charge without a license, such as this Sinemil 3 Plus 2 AC, which you can run simple tests including the 3D option to get the first impression of the software and take a look at the machine here.